Hey, hopefully it's not too dark in here. It's a shame that I didn't already have this new uh, this new find, this new unexpected find. So this thing popped up, so I grabbed it quick. And I wish I would have had this when I just did the last video a few days ago. I would have made it part of that one. So here's another update on the Yaesu series and the 101B BS series radio and accessories. Now they did make a B model of this. I would have rather had the B, but when these things pop up, you grab them because like those old Nixie display. I don't know if those are tubes or I forget what those are in there, but those, it's nice to have an extra one or two of these laying around for parts. But this thing actually, it's supposed to work, and it's in really good condition. So there's there's 10 meg even, 29.5, 29. So there's the A, B, C, and D, and there's CB. There's 15, 20, 40, 75, 80, and then there's something there. What is that? That's for, is that for a, oh, there's an empty spot down there where there's nothing. So there's 160 meters. So, hey. And it came with the cable and the printout of the manual. So, but the main thing is it's got the cable. So, all right. And this thing's in good shape. No scratches on it. So I was real happy to get this. It's not the B model, but hey, you got to start somewhere, and using these old analog radios without a digital display. The neat thing is I think this thing will read out on receive too, because it's using the IF out to drive it. There's just a jack on the back. You just go in to out. And I'm going to see if there's a way too I can tap off of it, off that. Well, no, it'd have to be, that wouldn't work, because I was thinking about using an SDR, but they use the actual receive frequency that you're receiving on. So there's a separate receiver, and I thought, well, maybe I could hook up my SDR on this too, so I could have the computer monitor for the PAN adapter. But, Yaesu made the little one like that, the one I have back there for the Kenwood Novice station setup I'm going to do here one of these days after I get this one all done. And anyway, so, here we go. This was an unexpected update here, an unexpected video on this Yaesu FT-101 series and accessories series of videos I'm doing. I'm going to go through each of these pieces one at a time, and I'm going to do a video on each one of them, but it's going to be here on this series. It's going to be included on this series of videos. I'm not just going to do a separate video on each piece. It's all going to be one series now of videos on all this, and I'm going to get it all working together as a whole. So as I get one piece working, I'll connect it, and then I'll so forth, and I'll hook up another one, and so on after I restore it and get them all connected together and working properly. So that's it for now. Just an unexpected quick update here on a Thursday night. It's almost June. What is it? Today's date's what? The 29th today, I believe? Yep. 73s. This is W5HRO.